This is the little studio apartment at 66 Sunnyside Avenue in Mill Valley. This is the one parking spot uncovered in front of the unit. Now I will take you through the gate. Do your own private, nice sized outer patio. And then upon entry is your living bedroom area, double closet, little place to have some breakfast and built-in shelving. And then here's your kitchen area, stainless steel refrigerator and a mini electric range, an oven, the bathroom right off the hall, shower behind the door, and through the sliding glass door off the kitchen to the right is a closet with your stackable washer dryer. The unit's just under 300 square feet, so it's small but very quaint, and it's been updated, as you can see. That is it for the tour.